Yeah, hi. So my name is Esse, and what I'm trying to ask is, I'm trying to make up my mind on which reporting tool that I'm going to use, Tableau, or I know the other lady tried to say something about it, but I was not here. So I'm trying to find out from you, based on your own experience, what which reporting tool do you think is best in the marketplace?
Like I can tell you right now, reporting to there's a lot of them, but I recommend everyone that is in the program to learn Power BI. Power BI is taking over the world. Yeah, Tableau is great. Tableau was the one who was on top, but now Power BI took over. And Power BI is very easy to learn. It's a lot of like drag and drop and manipulate and learn a little bit DAX. And as you keep going, you're getting better at it, how to write a DAX formula. So SSRS is kind of dying a little bit because Power BI took over, and there's a paginated report that you can embed it into the Power BI. So yeah, learn SSRS report and Power BI. Very critical, and also know how to do data integration, the SSIS.
Okay, thank you. And also, if you don't mind, please. So when you work now, do you use ETL? Like,
yeah, I do.
Is it that you must master it?
Say that again.
Is it a good idea to master it if you're doing reporting? Like,
yes, it's a good idea to always, as a BI developer, to not to become a master, but to know how to do ETL. Everyone who want to be a BI developer needs to know how to do ETL. Because even if you're doing the Power BI, you're doing ETL behind the scene. You need to do some cleanup data, do some data modeling, So ETL, yeah, it's just transform and load and kind of stuff. But you also know data modeling a little bit, how to break the data into the dimension, the facts, and do that relationship. So you need to have that mindset.
Thank you.
You're welcome.